Hi everybody, here we are again, and it's a Ritchies Simply Ginger Beer. Here to talk about it. It's nice, that. So, comes in a sachet. There's instructions on the back. On the bottom of the sachet is stuck it's actually ginger beer yeast and sweetener. If you can hear that, it's still in the packet. That's because I swapped it out as usual, used my SO4. I didn't put any sweetener in though. Would that be a mistake? Don't know. Would it be better with sweetener in? Don't know, because I'm not putting any in. Perhaps I should stick a teaspoon of sugar in, see what it's like. Anyway, makes 40 pints, 1.8 kilos net weight of pre-gingered malt. There we go. Ingredients: malt extract, in brackets, bold, barley. Natural ginger flavouring, hop extract, dried yeast, sweetener, which is acisulfame, acisulfame, K, and dextrose. Dextrose. I thought dextrose was just a sugar. I thought it fermented. That ain't going to sweeten out, is it? Is that right? Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Maltodextrin. That doesn't ferment, allegedly. Lactose doesn't ferment. But I thought dextrose... Isn't dextrose the brewing sugar? Don't know. Stop waffling. Facts and figures. Ginger beer, ginger beer, ginger beer. Right, so it had a starting gravity of 1044 at 23 degrees C, a finishing gravity of 1010 at 22 degrees C, so it's not worth fiddling with any figures there due to temperature. Came out, by my calculation, at 4.619% alcohol, approximately. The kit cost £14.95. I've written some other stuff here. Right. Ah, yeah. Most of the Ritchies kits are £11.95. GF, whatever that is £15.95. GF, I should remember what it is. Great fucking expensive one. GF, don't know. The most expensive kit, there's one of them, is £15.95. Stop waffling, get in there. So it's a nice golden colour. Torch. Clear. Oh, yeah, it's crystal clear. Just blinded myself. It's actually polished clear. Is that clear? Where's the shiny torch that is over there? Yeah, it's a light golden colour, I'd say. Straw. Give it a swig. Give it a sniff first. Doesn't smell really of anything much apart from mild beery smell. Did it say it had hops in it? Hop extract. So it's got hop extract in it. Can't smell any hoppiness. Taste it. There is a slight bittering, but it's a mild pale ale or lagery flavour, that sort of pale flavour. But there's a spicy gingerness that kicks in later on. If you just drink it, there's a slightly fruity note. That could be the hops, maybe, I don't know. But it's one of them, it's only a slight fruitiness, slightly, ever so slightly sweet, but not greatly. Not a huge bag full of flavour if you just drink it straight, but there is a back end spicy gingerness goes on. It's subtle. It's a subtle, and you can feel a spicy burning. That's ginger spicy burning going down. But if you give it a right good switch, yeah, you get a still subtle, but there's an upfront. It's still mainly the spicy gingerness, but there is the ginger flavour that kicks through. Subtle. Would you know it if it's not? If it wasn't? If you didn't know it was there, not sure. Only by the aftertaste, I would say, if you're concentrating on it, because it kicks in about now. You get that. Yeah, slight spicy burn and the ginger flavour towards the end. That is actually quite nice, quite pleasant. It would be nicer if it was a little bit more, perhaps a little bit more gingery, not much. Certainly not. I'm not even going there, no. Nice. Would I buy it again? Probably would. I might even, next time, try whacking the sachet in. Perhaps after it's fermented, whack it into the barrel, because then you've got secondary fermentation. Yeah, it shouldn't matter. It will give the same basic flavour, but it will give that sweetness to it. Yeah, so would I buy it again? Yeah. Right, so next thing we've got to talk about, PIRATEMANIA. PIRATEMANIA 2022. If you want to go, tough, you missed it. It was at Bakewell, Bakewell Agricultural Showground, and it was Thursday, 28th of July, till Monday, the 1st of August. A nice weekend. And I'm mentioning it because I've got some photos. I've not got any footage, but I've got some photos, so mainly of a little bit of dog torture. Oh, I have got some footage. Got some footage of that. So yeah, there'll be a couple of clips after this, and it's about PIRATEMANIA. A nice day, a nice weekend. It's about geocaching. I don't know if you've heard about geocaching. It's like a treasure hunt. You get coordinates on a GPS, or you can get it on a phone. If you've got a smartphone, you can get an app, a geocaching app. You go to the website, you download well, if you've got the app, you don't even need to go to the website. It downloads straight to your phone. Yeah. And it's a bit like a treasure hunt. So you go and find things that have been hidden. Boxes, hopefully. Film canisters, more than likely. Often takes you on a nice walk. Or shows you something that you might not have gone to. So, yeah. It's on again next year. So, a camping event. Nice weekend. Right, so, nice beer, nice weekend. Like, comment, subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Sitting up and looking around, my mind is lost in space. Still lying in my jeans, they stink of fags and beer. Trying to remember last night, how the hell did I get here? Don't